Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how you can contact Glovo support. First of all, open your browser and go to the official Glovo website. Once you're there, look for the section called Ask Glovo. On this page, you'll need to enter your details. In the first field, type your full name. In the second field, enter your email address. Next, choose the topic of your question. It could be about the company, tech, social environment, effects, partners, or anything else related to Glovo. Now in the message box, type your question or issue clearly. You can keep it short with 3 to 4 lines or write a longer message if you need to explain in detail. If you want to stay anonymous, check the box for that option. Then make sure you tick I have read and accept Glovo's policy. Finally, click Ask Glovo to submit your request. And that's it. That's how you can contact Glovo support. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.